Story time. The pet dog. Once a man had a pet dog. The faithful and strong dog used to guard the master's factory at night. The master loved him, fed him well, and took him out for walks. Once unlucky day, he was hit by a car. One of his hind legs was severely injured. The doctors could not heal the injury. Now the poor dog had to limp around all the time. The dog's master thought that a lame dog would not be a good guard, so he stopped love the poor dog. One day, the dog smelled ginger in the air. He sniffed around and saw a ginger plant growing in the factories around. The master saw the dog sniffing the ginger plant. He checked and found out that the soil near the plant was excellent for growing ginger plants. He then planted many of ginger and made a huge profit. Then the master realized that a physical handicap does not make anyone useless. He started loving and caring for his dog once again.